All right, we'll wait till he's done. We'll wait till he's done. See you, Ricky.
Bye, Ricky. Taking off.
China clear.
Yep.
Oh shit! Did I not stop the recording? Okay, stop.
Okay, good.
Such a doofus sometimes.
You got to get into the habit. If you're not used to doing it, it's.
I always usually remember.
Taking
off.
Gear up.
Jesus, dude.
Yeah, we said we're gonna go up. Woo! Watch for Jonah.
I know. That's why I was like, huh? Okay, let's just do some separation. Let's make sure we're like opposite of him. So let's let him do a pass first, and then we'll do one. Okay.
Just suck on your own, like idiots.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Go. Go.
Low pass!
3 minutes.
Whip it and drop it.
Okay, I'll be on the other side. Jonah's right here.
Whip it and drop it.
Jonah's clear, so we can come back down. Okay, go. Okay. Well, we got the separation now, see? I love it. Let's give Jonah his time.
Remaining 2 minutes.
Why, like idiots?
Low pass!
Go, I'll be closest to us. Going up.
Yeah. Yeah, so he kept
Coming
talking
back.
about trying to find one of these.
Oh, you cut early.
No. So I just gave it to
Flying like idiots. I'm not listening to him at all. It's just the way I'm flying.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Hey, why don't you come race me and I'll tell you who's faster. Woo! See, you gotta land. I got another minute. Oh, dude, we were on it. I gotta come in too. We were ripping. Holy crap. Woo! Oh my God. That was pure nuts. That's alright. I'll be right here. Oh, that was fun. My battery is going to be mad. Woo! Jesus Christ. Really, guys? So much for this video. Come closer. Alright, there we go. That's like the good old days right there. Holy